Hi, this is Tapas Pera, Finance Analyst E-Commerce at MS Finance Services. After prepare FBM payment reconciliation introduction video, I got several calls, messages from the clients to prepare a complete FBM payment reconciliation video. So today I want to present a FBM payment reconciliation video for you guys. Okay, so let's start it. FBM, you guys know that it's a completely your model, that is completely B2C model where you are preparing your orders and you are sending goods to direct customer through Myntra. Myntra is just only commission partner, there is no B2B platform in FBM. Okay, so FBM that is classified in two models, that is C plus L and one is C. C in the sense that is only commission model. Your forward goods, reverse goods, there is only commission. There is no reverse charges, any reverse charges, guys. Second model is, currently Myntra is providing to clients C plus L model, that is commission and logistic. Okay, so commission, when your goods will be returned, the commission will be reversed, but return logistic charges cannot be reversed, that you need to pay. Okay, so the payment procedure, I am coming to payment procedure. In JIT model, you see that your payment come by second month, 15 to 18, and that is one time payment. But in FBM model, the payment will become splitted. In a week, that is 3 payments. Okay, and 3 that is classified into 2, that is 3 into 2, 6 payments. Every alternative day you get one payment, that is one payment is COD and another payment is prepaid. Okay, so the payment will be happen once delivery the goods and it is cross 15 days. D15, we can say D15, delivery plus 15 days you got the payments. Okay, and you get a NEFT from the COD payment and the prepaid payment. If you have any previous outstanding in JIT, any return percentage is high, then your payment will be stopped. Your payment will be holded out by Myntra. Okay, so how you will get the reports? Suppose you started your business in the June month, then you will get a report by July 7. July 7 in your partner portal dashboard, you will get a reports. That how you go to, that is partner portal, then select FBM, then select the finance report, then you will get the reports. There is 3 reports I think that is most important. One is finance reports under, that is sales revenue reports, that is a completely sales report. Second one is PG forward settlement report and one is PG reverse settlement reports. PG forward, those goods are shifted to a customer, that is 100% certain orders, right? Second is PG reverse. PG reverse means those are returned to you. Okay. Then you can get the unsettled orders, unpaid orders. If you want to know how much orders you have unpaid, unsettled, then you can get that reports. Okay. Second thing is, when you will be go to reconcile your payments, you firstly focus 3 things. First one is your settled or unsettled. Second thing is disputed or cleared. Third one is excess debit or excess credit. Okay, so settled and unsettled, if there is no reports in sales versus your payment, that is unsettled. If there is reports, then that is settled. Disputed orders means there is selling price issue, MRP issue, commission issue, etc. whatever you have issue. Third one is excess debit or excess credit. Suppose you don't have positive balance but there is negative paid, that is excess. Okay, and last you have to tally your payment versus your gap, that all the payments are received or not. Okay, so that is your primary reports. When you will reconcile that reports, then you can prepare this report that can use for your GST purpose. That is used for your GST purpose. You can collaborate, you can mix that report in your GST schedule, GST details. Okay, because your sales in your hand, your payment on your hand, your commission invoice on your hand, so that is very easy to prepare your GST. And the last one, there is item barcode report that can get from the Myntra Unicommerce. Myntra Unicommerce, you can get the item barcode reports. So item barcode reports help you to get what is your order status. I mean, that is paid, that is delivered, that is cancelled, yeah, whatever. That is help to you to want to know what is your finance status, I mean your order status. If that is a gate pass code, then you need to know that is returnable and non-returnable. That is, if non-returnable, then you make sure that is your return part. Okay, then that report may not available in your payment partner portal. Okay, so you guys need to take. Still, once you prepare that report, you need to find out what is my disputed order, what is my unsettled order, yeah, what is my TAT. I mean, suppose your payment term has been crossed, but you have not paid, then you need to write a mail. Write a mail from the partner portal in issue section that I have some orders, but I have not get paid. That Myntra partner portal team will entertain and get back to you. Okay, and so I think I have covered for ABM payment reconciliation and your ABM GST section. I mean, I have described a small, very little word in GST section, but GST is not difficult. I mean, that is fully B2C. So you take the sales report, return report, commission report, then your GST will prepare. There is 2 to 3 commission invoice in the section. One is a commission, one is logistic, and one is a penalty invoice. And okay, so that's all. If you guys face any problem in ABM payment reconciliation, you can contact us. My contact number is 98189-58912. Write a mail BEHRATAPAS13@gmail.com. Our office mail ID info.efinancereco@gmail.com. We are at MS Finance and Analysis Services. We are always with our clients, sellers, and we always want to serve you better in any e-commerce matters, any e-commerce financial matters where we did. Thank you.